Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So some people are saying that Robux gift cards will no longer be available for any country. Like a Robux gift card can only work in the country it originated from. And that means that streamers like Creekcraft can no longer give out Robux on stream. Here is a tweet by him. Oof. Starting next week all Robux cards will be region locked, meaning streamers/creators can't give out Robux to fans outside of their own countries. Our only option is to use group funds now, but that's against us. Roblox isn't giving us many options. Tom Luciter said, starting April 24, 2023. #Roblox will start region locking gift cards to your local currency. For example, if you bought a gift card, usually from online, that isn't your local currency, it won't work. That's why cheaper Roblox Premium is not available for some accounts. Here's another tweet by Bloxy News, starting the week of April 24, 2023, your #Roblox account will be denominated in the country in which your account is registered. In addition, you will only be able to redeem a Roblox gift card to your account if the gift card is denominated in the same currency as your account. Now this is gonna be bad news for streamers who want to give away. They can still use PLS Donate though. Tell me your opinions in the comments. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Goodbye.